Good day, everyone. Time now for Weather News Today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. And of course, we're looking at the NAM forecast model right now, and we're turning it on, look at all of this clearness coming in. That's a good thing. But don't get too attached to it, because Florida, you are going to be getting some rain today, tonight, possibly tomorrow, especially from the mid to upper panhandle sections down to the mid sections of the state. As you can see it moving across, we have another system that's moving in from the west. Now, so far as temperatures go, really hot down in Arizona today. You guys might reach 100 degrees in some places, and a lot of you will be in the 90s. This is for the Arizona area right down in here. The warmth, well, it's going to slip back up. Yesterday I told everybody, just hang in there. The warm is coming. Well, it is, okay? We see this system. We do have another cold system that's going to move down from Canada and bring some precipitation, but mainly the precipitation it's going to bring will kind of line the borders, okay? Kind of line the borders. As you can see, right here, we are up to Wednesday at 5 p.m. Little bit of light snow in the Michigan area, but it turns right to rain for the most part. Where you get your snow is North Dakota, and as it moves on across, maybe Wisconsin all the way across a little bit, but it's not going to be a big snow out. And when we come to parts like in upper Ohio, you see this is turning to rain. Now today for you guys in the upper portions of northeast Ohio, it's probably going to be the last day you have highs in the 30s for a few days. That's right. You do have a chance of some rain and snow today. It's a mixture, but no big accumulation, okay? Now, the chance of rain, you're going to have it every day through Saturday. But tomorrow, your high should be 49 to 50. Friday, Saturday, you probably are going to hit 60. And Saturday itself, you might even hit 62 degrees if you're up in these areas, okay? So that's going to be a good thing. And all the rest of us, we're going to see our temperatures climb maybe 10, 15, possibly some places even 20 degrees. Then next week we will see them fall. But don't worry. Don't worry. It will be like spring weather. Okay? Some may have highs in the 50s. Some may have highs in the 60s. But after this brief cool down that starts next week, after this system gets through, what's going to happen is it's not going to be freezing cold like it was at all, but it will be once again up and down the East Coast here, probably 50s, 60s, and then it will start to warm back up, okay? Maybe some 40s in the very northern portions you guys may get, but nothing like we have had this winter. The warm up will start to gradually come back up. And now we'll take a quick look at the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, as we turn it on. You know, this is all because of a slow-moving cold front crossing the Florida Peninsula today, folks. We see all the rain coming across. Now, it's going to lead to unsettled weather, excuse me, across much of the state today. Now, the best prospects for heavy rain will be over the northern Florida Peninsula, where multiple rounds of heavy showers and storms could result in 1 to 3 inches of rainfall by tomorrow morning, followed by improving weather. So Florida today, you're going to get some rain, okay? Now, a few of these thunderstorms could become very strong in the region today. So keep your eyes out and be aware of what's going on around you if you're down in Florida and you happen to run into one of these thunder showers. Now, more rain is forecast to reach the west coast from San Francisco and points northward today as a Pacific cold front approaches the region with snow, only for the highest mountain locations. Another round of rainfall is likely by tomorrow. A second storm system begins affecting the area, and there should also be more snow for the mountainous areas compared to the first system. Valley rain and mountain snow showers are also expected for interior portions of the Great Basin and northern Rockies. Now, much of the south central United States should be dry through midweek as a cold Canadian surface high settles southward and provides more below normal temperatures for this time of the year, and a moderating trend commences later in the week. Now, the opposite will hold true for the desert southwest, with highs well into the 90s and maybe even close to 100 degrees for today and tomorrow. That's down in the areas down in here that I was showing you. And now, as we look at the watches and warning map, the U.S. is mostly clear. Where you see this blue for tonight, okay, that doesn't mean it's going to freeze. They got to put them out. I told you guys, just wait a few days. Today is Tuesday. By possibly tomorrow, but for sure maybe Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, everybody in here will feel much warmer temperatures, and you guys up in this area will also. Like I said, they're going to last for 3, maybe 4 days. Then this system that's coming in from the California coast and the cold high that's moving down from Canada will make them next week drop anywhere from 10 to 20 degrees, but nothing like the past, and then they will start warming slowly but surely back up the next day. Now, it's looking pretty clear everywhere. Of course, you know, you have these flood watches and warnings in Florida where you guys are going to get so much rain today. Other than that, these are wind advisories in Texas and Oklahoma, all the way up to southeastern Kansas, all the way up to North Dakota. Red flag warnings also in northwestern Kansas as it moves over to Colorado and central New Mexico. Same goes for northern Arizona, and this is high wind watches in southern Nevada. All of these are wind watches. Other than that, everything's looking pretty good today. And for my friends wrapping it up down in Puerto Rico today, you do have that chance of thunderstorms today with heavy rainfall and brief gusty winds this afternoon across portions of central and the west interior sections of Puerto Rico. Now, you do have a chance of flooding. The rain will be heavy and it could lead to urban and small stream flooding. Winds anywhere sustained from 20 to 24, and mainly over the outer coastal waters. As your seas will be choppy, you should have 5 to 6 feet expected across most of the local waters, okay? So that's what's going on for you guys. Also that chance of high rip currents, but for Puerto Rico today, you do have that chance of rain and maybe some flooding at times, so be aware of that. That's going to wrap it up this day, Tuesday, April 10th, 2018. For weather news today with J7409, everyone have a great day, a safe day. Keep your eyes on the sky, especially if you're down in the Florida Panhandle to midsection of the states of Florida. Rain, could have some severe thunderstorms pop up. I got to get out of here this morning, have something I have to do. I'll be back later this afternoon. Everybody have a great day. I love you all. Thanks for everything you do. With all that said and done, much peace, love, and kindness to each of you.